Welcome back to another video. My name's Max, this is John Cleese, and today I'm sat in a Renault Master 2023 plate. I'm going to spin the camera around to show you the Kenwood DMX-F920DS. This is a 9-inch display. It actually comes on a swivel bracket, so you can tilt the screen a little bit towards the driver, which is actually a nice feature. It can also adjust up and down slightly. So this head unit brings wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. It's also got DAB built into it. You can add a reverse camera to it if you want a reverse camera, but it all fits nicely into this car and is going to give this customer Google Maps and ability to control his music from the screen. In this vehicle, you do have a paddle control down here for adjusting the volume and skipping the track, so that function does work for adjusting the volume up and down. You've got volume control from the screen as well, and a few other controls. This is Android Auto currently on the screen. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is probably the main reason a lot of people will have this upgrade done. Much nicer way of navigating using your phone while driving. And yeah, if you haven't used Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, definitely need to check it out. But it's just like having your smartphone on the screen in a safe and easy way while driving. Going onto your Spotify, and it doesn't matter if you've got Apple Music, Amazon Music, I use Tidal personally, but you've got all your playlists in there. You can browse your library, much more seamless way of accessing all your music at your fingertips while you're driving, all safe and legal. The stereo has a USB, which we've put into the top of the dash there, which is where the factory one would be. Don't actually have any reverse camera on this car, but we can add one if needed. Other little features, we did actually have a subwoofer. We got a subwoofer mounted underneath the seat here, and we've done a little bit of wiring some lights in the back of the car, but obviously this is the centerpiece of this installation. And yeah, much nicer way of just using your phone while driving. As I said, it's got DAB on it as well, so you can listen to DAB radio. You've got your presets inside here. Searching for radio stations, you just do through this magnifying glass. But yeah, DAB plays nicely. But probably Android Auto is going to be the main reason. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay will be the main reason people would have this upgrade done. Looks great, works well, comes with a 3-year warranty at the moment as a special with us from Kenwood. So if you're interested in upgrading your Master to have the latest technology, then get in contact with us. My name's Max, this is John Cleese. Thanks for watching this brief video. If you've got a Master or any other vehicle you want CarPlay in, give us a shout. Thank you, take care and goodbye.